Well, welcome back, fellow YouTubers, toy and toy train buffs, to another running session out here on the edge of town. Nothing really big or audacious planned today. Nothing more than a really quick running session of my Hafner wind-up train. And before we go any further, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. And if you've been looking at the channel, I've been working on the larger Milwaukee Northwestern layout. I'm hesitant to run wind-up trains on it because they have a tendency to run out of steam, as it were, at the very back of the layout, underneath that little viaduct that's there. So yeah, I'll run them here on the smaller layout where I can reach them if they stop in an awkward space. Okay, without further ado, cool. Alrighty, and there you have it. Good run. The Hafner engine is a decent little puller. I do have an oval of original Hafner track that this goes on. I have no place to set it up though. So this is as good a place as any to run. So until next time, tschüss, adieu, auf Wiedersehen, bye y'all.